So we're just taking a look at Cardano here, and as we can see, things are not looking particularly good in terms of the technicals on this chart. As we were saying before, we did actually lose the range low, and we've come back up. We've actually double top, back tested it as resistance here, and you know, obviously with the FTX news, it has actually rolled Cardano over here to make another lower low like this. Obviously you can see we are looking at some bullish divergences on this low here, make no mistake about it. But overall, the technicals of this chart not looking particularly strong, are they? We've actually rolled back inside of that bear market resistance and are currently retesting it as resistance here as well. And we basically need to, you know, be seeing Cardano making some moves to the upside pretty soon, aren't we? Because right now it's looking like it's starting to get back into a downtrend like this. And if that's the case, we could be looking at some lower prices for Cardano, depending on what happens in the wider market. Obviously, we've got those big bullish divergences. You can see just how ridiculously overextended we did get here to the downside. And now looking like, you know, we could be forming potentially, as we said for many cryptos here, that inverse head and shoulders type formation, which would see us come up again and retest that previous support at around 41 cents as resistance. It does need to be retested again, in our opinion. You can see basically what happened here. From what we could tell, we lost that low. Obviously, we come back up, resistance. We start to get back inside of the range, don't we? We're showing a bit of signs of life, and then obviously with the FTX news, we come all the way down here, make a new swing low in this area here. If I can draw a circle, why am I finding it so hard to draw a circle there? And you can see now looking like maybe we're going to get this V-shaped recovery where we come back up and retest that resistance, which we do think is probably fairly likely. Obviously the volume dropping off right now, people are losing interest now, the volatility is starting to disappear again. But we'd probably expect Cardano at least coming back up to this level fairly soon. But you know, if we do see ourselves rolling over, as usual, from what we can see here, we could easily see a double bottom back test down at around that 31 cent level. So